Guys, welcome back to my channel. The other day I shared a kind of like doing my face video, sort of like come and get ready with me sort of thing, and I thought it might be quite nice to do a let's take it all off kind of video as well. You know, I think skincare is really important, and especially at my age, which is 30, I find myself thinking more and more about how I can take care of my skin and how I can make sure it looks its best every day, taking care of it in the evenings and giving it like a nice clean before it goes to sleep for the night, because at night time is when your skin rejuvenates and like replenishes itself and gets ready for the next day. So it's really important to take care of it at night time. So I thought I'd just talk you through some of the products that I use. I have one brand that I mainly focus on at the moment that I'm loving. So yeah, I'm going to talk you through that and what I do, and then at the end I will show you a little clip of like me taking my makeup off and getting ready to go to bed and have a shower and then go to bed, or but yeah, I'm just going to show you me taking off my makeup. Yeah, so here we go. So if you watched my last video, you will know that I like to sort of kind of wear quite a full face of makeup nearly every day actually. So taking it off in the evenings is really important, and sometimes I just find that if I just go straight into like cleansing, that I actually don't take off all of the makeup, and I don't feel that I'm getting like a really deep cleanse that I need. So I always start by using the micellar water from Garnier. Literally swear by this stuff. I will just get 2 cotton pads and just fill them up with some of this, and then I start at my eyes, rub it around my eyes, and then flip them over and do the other side, and just take off that kind of like first layer of makeup and just kind of get it moving a little bit first, because it's being on there all day. So yeah, I really recommend this. I have quite sensitive skin. I find it dries out quite quickly, so just find it really works. It hasn't made me break out or anything like that, and we're good friends. So after I have done that and chucked away my cotton pads, I will move on to my next step. So this is the first time that I have found a skincare routine that I'm enjoying. Normally I kind of like try this bit here, try that bit there, and then I give up and just end up just going to bed with a full face of makeup some days, or I'll just use soap and water. Like, it becomes a bit funny. But on this occasion I invested in some really good skincare, and I'm finding that I am really enjoying using it. So it's probably been about just over a month now, maybe 2 months that I've been doing this, and I've noticed a huge difference. So the products that I'm using are the Elemis products. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So it comes like so as a balm, and I just get like a swirl of it on my finger, and then literally all I do is just put it in my hand and just rub it, and then put it all over my face, and it's just so like, it just smells so nice, and it feels really nourishing all over your skin. I sort of like every other day do things differently. So one day I will just put this all over my face, and then I'll get a cleansing cloth with like some warm water, and I'll just then rub it off, and I do find that it takes off all of my makeup. But then on other days I will actually use my Magnetone cleansing brush. Again, this is quite a new thing too. I've only had this for probably about 2 months as well. I kind of got it all together, and I love this. So I found this really has taken away a lot of the dead skin, and I used to really suffer with a lot of like blackheads and things like that, and just general ickiness. So yeah, I use this every other day, and it has 2 settings. You can have setting 1, which is kind of like just a brush. It's a brush. It's still quite like intense on the skin, but if you're fancying like making it like firmer, there's setting 2. This has I can't remember how long it is, but it has a certain amount of seconds on, maybe 30 on each section of your face. So you have 30 seconds to do both your cheeks, and then you have 30 seconds to do your forehead, and then 30 seconds to do like your chin and your neck, like, and décolletage area. I really love it, and with that cleansing balm, it's just so good. It feels really nice. So after I've done all that, I will then just put some water on my face, splash some water, and just take off any excess. And then my next step on some days is to then go with the Alpha H Liquid Gold with glycolic acid. I'll just pop that on some like a cotton pad and just gently wipe that over my face. Like I said, I only probably use this like twice a week. So yeah, I'll use that, and then I put on my moisturizer, which I'll show you at the end. But that's quite harsh on your skin, but it does do a really good job, and I really enjoy using that. But on the days when I'm not using that, my next step is to put on my toner. So again, this is from Elemis, and this is the Soothing Apricot Toner. It's so refreshing, like, I love it so much. And it smells delicious. I will put this mainly on a cotton pad and then like just wipe it over my face. Really lovely, so lovely. And then I will follow that up with the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Oil. I don't know if you can see, there we go. And this is just a little tester bottle actually that came with the set that I ordered, but I really love it. And you only need 2 to 4 drops, and you just sort of put it on your hands, rub your hands together, and then apply it to your face and to your neck. And I really like take my time when I'm doing this. Like, I'll really like rub it for so long because I just love the way that it feels. And then to make sure that I'm getting it like really deep into my skin, I'll pick up my Magnetone again, and this is the Bare Face 2 Magnetone, by the way. And it has a setting for toning, so you might hear it's kind of like buffering. So I'll use that and just go in upward motions around my face, across under my chin, and again it has the settings. It has 30 seconds for each area. I mainly focus like under here, up around my chin, and then across my forehead, as I find that they're the areas that I'm probably most creased and also starting to sag a tiny bit. But I have to say, I was a bit kind of like pessimistic about it all. I thought, this is never going to change like the tone of my skin, like how it feels and how tight it is, but it really has. And I love it, and I would swear by it. So again, I'll use that every other day when I'm doing that, when I'm using my brush as well. I love that too. And so once that's all kind of like done, my final step before going to bed is putting on the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Now, if you haven't tried this, you need to. A rather luxurious item, but oh my days, does this stuff like work a treat. So yeah, I just get some of this, and probably you only need really a like pea-sized amount. And again, I will just put that on my hands, rub it in really well to my hands, and then just smooth it all over my face. And again, I'll spend so long just rubbing this on my face because I love the creaminess and the silkiness of the texture of it, and just the way that it makes my skin feel. It's like giving your skin a drink, and I know my skin really enjoys it, and I just love using it. It's so good. So yeah, if you can invest in this little set with all these goodies, I recommend it. I actually got this from QVC. I'll pop a link below so that you can have a try of them too. And it actually came with some other bits as well. I got a body wash, and then I got a body cream and a hand gel or hand lotion. Yeah, I use all of it. I absolutely love all of it. Elemis is just like going to a spa for me, so getting to use it in my own house is really lovely. So yeah, they're my little things that my treats, and then eye cream that I'll use, and I use that day and night. just gently like dab it under my eyes. And then the last thing that I put on my face before I go to sleep, it's actually on my lips, is this Lacura. It's from Aldi. It's a dupe of the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream, and I'll just put that over my lips because I do find they get quite dry at night, and I find that works really, really well. And if I have any other like dry skin areas, I'll pop a little bit of this on too. It looks exactly the same as the Elizabeth Arden. It's got that kind of orange look, and it's just really nourishing. Yeah, so that's my kind of like evening skincare regime. I will insert now like a little video of me doing the regime, and I hope you enjoy it and you're not too scared by my face without any makeup on. Putting it into the big wide world out there is quite scary, but you know, it's must sometimes. So yeah, if you've got any questions, please pop me a message below, and I will try and get back to you. And I'll also include some links as well in the subscription. I think like out any of the products that I've just shown you and that I'm using. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it and that it inspires you to take better care of your skin or to try some new products and everything else. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one?